Watching channel Maths and Methods Academy, and in this video we are going to solve a verbal problem which is related to quadratic equation. So let's go for it. Let x and x plus 2 be two consecutive consecutive even numbers. Then with the help of the given condition we can write x plus 2 cubed minus x cubed is equal to 296. Now we open the bracket and we write x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8 minus x cubed minus 296 is equal to 0. X cubed cancels with x cubed and we are left with 6x squared plus 12x minus 288 is equal to 0. Here 6 is common and we have x squared plus 2x minus 48 inside the bracket. We divide the equation by 6 and we get x squared plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Now we can factorize it. So we can write it like x squared plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 8 minus 6, again x plus 8 is common, is equal to 0. So x plus 8 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 6. And since the other number is x plus 2, so we have to write x plus 2 also. X plus 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 6, or in the other case x plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So our answer is minus 6 and minus 8 or 8 and 6. That's all for now. Until next time, take care and bye bye.